In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp note-taking tutorial. By the end, you'll know 2 simple, reliable ways to capture notes right where you work, so your ideas never get lost and always stay connected to tasks or your schedule. First, open ClickUp and head into your workspace. Once you're in, remember there are 2 main places you can take notes: inside tasks or lists, and in the planner using calendar notes. Choose the one that matches how you naturally organize your day: task-focused notes for project details, or calendar notes for time-based planning. Let's start with notes inside ClickUp tasks and lists. Open any task that relates to what you're working on, or navigate to the list that holds a group of related tasks. In either view, you'll see the comment section. This is a fast, flexible spot for notes. Type quick thoughts, meeting takeaways, or next steps as comments to keep everything linked directly to the work item. You can add context like dates, links, or simple formatting so the note is easy to scan later. This approach is great for keeping a running log of progress because comments stack in order and stay with the task or list for easy reference. If a note is only relevant at the list level, capture it there so it applies to the whole group, not just a single task. Now, let's switch to time-based notes using the planner. Click on Planner in the top navigation to see your schedule view. This is ideal when your notes align with time blocks, meetings, or daily planning. Inside the planner, choose your calendar, Google Calendar or Microsoft, so your events appear alongside your ClickUp schedule. Use the calendar notes area to jot down agendas, reminders, or prep checklists tied to a specific day or event. Keeping notes attached to the calendar helps you prepare before meetings and quickly review what happened afterward without digging through tasks. If you plan your day in time blocks, add brief notes to each block so your priorities are clear when you sit down to work. A few quick tips to make both methods work smoothly. Keep your notes concise and action-oriented. Add keywords you can search later and use consistent titles or tags so patterns stand out over time. If a note belongs to a specific deliverable, put it in the task comment. If it belongs to a date or meeting, add it in the planner's calendar notes. With these 2 options, you'll always know exactly where to put your thoughts and where to find them when you need them.